Hi dear students, how are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Professor Qayum Mangi. Today's topic is very important topic of political science, essay and general knowledge. What are essential features for proper functioning of federation or federalism in a political system? In order to achieve the proper functioning of federal system of government, certain favorable political conditions are essential or necessary to abide by. Number 1. Distribution of powers. The basis of idea of federalism is to have a union without unity. Consequently, powers are distributed between the center and units or provinces. Each government, federal or provincial, is made independent and supreme within its own jurisdiction, like United States of America, France, Germany, India, and Pakistan. Nor any government encroach upon the sphere of others. No any government encroaches upon the sphere of others. There can be no federation without separation and distribution of powers. However, in practice, the rules of federal government prevail. Number 2, supremacy of constitution. Constitution is supreme in every federation or in every country, and it cannot be amended easily without the consent of federating units. The central and federating units have to abide by the Constitution. If they do not abide the Constitution, it would disintegrate like East Pakistan in 1971, USSR, and Yugoslavia and so many states. In US political system, the Constitution is supreme because every institution defends it. In weaker states, Constitution is not supreme because their institutions are powerful. They trample it whenever they wish or suspend it or abrogate it. Number 3, written and rigid constitution. The constitution of federation is written and rigid so that the interest of units is protected and central government may not encroach upon the allotted or given powers of federating units, powers to federating units. The constitution should be rigid so that simple majority may not amend it easily against the wishes of people of smaller units. The units can never feel secure if the constitution can be amended by federal or central legislature, ignoring the wishes of people of smaller units or other units. The Constitution is regarded as sacred and supreme document of any country, not to be tampered with easily. The Constitution of United States is a living example of it. Number 4, independent and powerful judiciary. Since a federation, there are two sets of government, and through the Constitution, though the Constitution is defined their powers and jurisdiction, still dispute arises between the center and units or among units over constitutional issues. Therefore, every federation has a Supreme Court to interpret the Constitution and adjudicate and settle disputes. Supreme Court of country acts as the savior and guardian of the Constitution. It ensures that no government should transcend and exceed their allotted powers. In this way, a federation can remain intact. Powerful judiciary is guarantee of federation like United States of America, France, Germany, India. In countries where judiciary serves the interest of powerful institutions, federation is always at risk of disintegration like Pakistan and USSR. Number 5, bicameral legislature. In federation, the national legislature is bicameral, that is, that it consists of two chambers or houses. The people and units are given representation separately in Parliament. The lower chamber or National Assembly is created for the representation of people by the people on the basis of population. The units or provinces get representation in the upper chamber, that is called Senate, like in USA, France, Germany, India and Pakistan. The units, irrespective of size and population, enjoy status of equality in the second chamber or upper chamber of Parliament. Number 6, federation envisages a union rather than unity. Federation creates a dual government or two governments, one in center and other in federating units. The federating units preserve their separate, autonomous and distinct political entity and exercise supreme and original authority within their allotted sphere of powers. They enjoy their autonomous existence guaranteed by the Constitution and judiciary on which depends the existence of central government. Number 7, sovereignty of state. The units or states which merge in federation lose their former sovereignty because their merger or union creates a new state that is now become sovereign. Independent states made a federation with their mutual consent. It is permanent federation and units have no right to demand its former sovereignty. Number 8, political parties. In present era or in democratic era, political parties has become powerful and guarantor of protection of federation. The people join political parties irrespective of creed, race and religion. They try to protect the federation that provide them all necessary provisions of life and protection against within and outside enemies. The public opinion is always in favor of powerful federation capable of protecting their social, economic, political and strategic interest in global politics. Wish you good luck. Take care of yourself and the others. See you in next lecture.